5 reasons why. The ultimate keto diet for beginners. Keto diet. Losing weight is not easy. We all know that. Imagine the feeling of success when you reach your goal weight, and are able to wear those clothes again, or be able to run without being winded. 1. The ketogenic diet will help you lose weight. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that can help you lose weight. It is a very effective way to lose weight and has been shown to be much more effective than other diets. The ketogenic diet works by reducing your carb intake and replacing it with healthy fats. This forces your body to burn fat for energy, which leads to weight loss. The ketogenic diet is a great option for people who are looking to lose weight quickly and effectively. It is also a good choice for people who are struggling with obesity or other weight-related issues. If you are thinking about starting the ketogenic diet, talk to your doctor first to make sure it is right for you. 2. It can cause more energy and better mental performance. Do you feel sluggish and tired all the time? If so, then it might be time to try the keto diet. The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has been shown to boost energy levels and improve mental performance. When you eat a lot of carbohydrates, your body produces glucose, which is used for energy. However, when you cut out carbs, your body has to find another source of energy. This is where fat comes in. When you consume fat, your body produces ketones, which are then used for energy. This process is known as ketosis. Ketosis has been shown to improve mental clarity and focus, as well as increase physical energy levels. If you are looking for a way to boost your energy and mental performance, then the keto diet might be right for you. 3. It suppresses the appetite. The keto diet is very effective at suppressing the appetite. This is because when your body is in ketosis, it releases a hormone called ghrelin. Ghrelin is responsible for stimulating the appetite. However, when you are in ketosis, ghrelin levels are lower, which means that you will feel less hungry. Another reason why the keto diet suppresses the appetite is because it helps to stabilize blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels are stable, you are less likely to experience spikes in hunger. The keto diet can also help to increase satiety hormones, such as leptin and peptide E. These hormones signal to the brain that you are full and help to reduce food cravings. If you are looking to lose weight, then the keto diet is a great option. By suppressing the appetite and stabilizing blood sugar levels, it can help you to eat less and lose weight quickly. 4. You will find it much easier to exercise. Being on the keto diet will give you more energy. This is because when you are in ketosis, your body is using stored fat for energy instead of carbs. This means that you will have more energy to exercise and be able to work out for longer periods of time. Exercise is important for both weight loss and overall health. It helps to boost your metabolism, build muscle, and burn calories. When you are trying to lose weight, it is important to find an exercise routine that you enjoy. This way, you are more likely to stick with it and see results. If you are not used to exercising, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. You can also try different types of exercises to keep things interesting. 5. Your hormone levels will improve. The keto diet can help to optimize your hormone levels. This is because the diet helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, which can in turn help to regulate insulin and other hormones. When your hormones are balanced, you tend to have more energy, a better mood, and better overall health. This is one of the reasons that the keto diet is so popular for